Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best paintball guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner looking for an entry-level option or a seasoned player seeking a high-performance marker, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Mad Dog JT Stealth Semi-Automatic .68 Caliber Titanium Paintball Gun Starter Package. This is a fantastic choice for players who are just starting out and want a complete kit to jump into the game. The package includes the JT Stealth marker, a 20-ounce CO2 tank, a 200-round loader, a safety-certified anti-fog mask, a 6+1 paintball harness, 6 paintball pods, and a barrel squeegee for maintenance. This all-in-one bundle ensures you have everything you need for field entry, minus the paintballs. Design-wise, the JT Stealth marker features a sleek, tactical black body with ergonomic grips for enhanced control and comfort. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver on the field. The double trigger allows faster firing, while the hoseless internal airline system provides a clean, streamlined look. Performance-wise, the semi-automatic firing mode and clamping feed neck ensure reliable and consistent shooting throughout your matches. While the JT Stealth package is great for beginners, it does have some drawbacks. The CO2 tank ships empty, so you'll need to fill it before use, and it lacks the premium build quality of higher-end markers. However, for its affordability and the sheer number of included accessories, this package is an excellent value proposition for entry-level players who want to get started without breaking the bank. At number 4, we have the Mad Dog Tipman Cronus Tactical Bronze Paintball Marker Starter Package. This package is ideal for beginners looking for a reliable, low-maintenance paintball marker paired with industry-standard accessories. The bundle includes the Tipman Cronus marker, a 48/3000 compressed air HPA tank, a 200-round hopper, a safety-certified anti-fog mask, and a barrel squeegee. It's a great starter kit for players who want to dive into paintball with a dependable setup. The Tipman Cronus marker is well known for its exceptional durability and reliability. Its high-impact composite body is lightweight yet rugged, with molded rubber grips and an internal gas line for better maneuverability. The marker also features multiple accessory rails for customization, making it a versatile option for players who want to add attachments like scopes or grips. Performance-wise, the semi-automatic firing mode and 10-inch ported barrel provide consistent accuracy and smooth shooting, perfect for scenario-based games or recreational play. One downside to this package is the reduced shot count per fill from the HPA tank compared to CO2 options. Additionally, while the included accessories are functional, they may not meet the needs of more advanced players seeking high-end gear. Still, the bronze package offers excellent value for beginners or casual players who want a straightforward, reliable setup without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Mad Dog Tipman Cronus Tactical Protective Paintball Gun Marker Starter Package. This bundle is an upgrade from the bronze package, offering additional protective gear to keep players safe and comfortable during intense matches. It includes the Tipman Cronus marker, a 20-ounce CO2 tank, a Proto Primo loader, safety-certified anti-fog goggles, a padded chest protector, a neck protector, tactical gloves, a 4+1 harness, 4 paintball pods, and a barrel squeegee. With the added protective gear, you can focus on gameplay without worrying about bruises or discomfort. The Tipman Cronus marker remains the centerpiece of this package, offering the same rugged durability, semi-automatic firing mode, and customizable accessory rails that make it a favorite among entry-level players. The Proto Primo loader provides smoother feeding compared to standard loaders, allowing for more consistent performance, ensuring consistent shooting performance during fast-paced games. The protective gear, including the padded chest protector and tactical gloves, adds a layer of comfort and safety, making this package ideal for younger players or those new to paintball. On the downside, this package is slightly heavier and bulkier due to the added protective gear, which might not suit players who prefer a more streamlined setup. Additionally, the CO2 tank ships empty, requiring a trip to the local paintball store for a fill. However, if safety and comfort are priorities, this package is an excellent choice for beginners looking for a complete protective setup. At number 2, we have the Mad Dog Tippmann Cronus Tactical Silver Paintball Gun Marker Starter Package. This bundle is tailored for players seeking a high-performance, low-maintenance marker alongside essential accessories for competitive gameplay. It includes the Tippmann Cronus marker, a 20-ounce CO2 tank, a 200-round loader, a safety-certified anti-fog mask, a 4+1 harness, 4 paintball pods, and a barrel squeegee. This package is versatile enough to suit both entry-level players and experienced enthusiasts. The Tippmann Cronus marker is a standout in this package, boasting incredible durability and reliability. Its high-impact composite body and molded rubber grips provide excellent handling and maneuverability on the field. The marker's semi-automatic firing mode, internal gas line, and 10-inch ported barrel ensure consistent accuracy and a smooth shooting experience. Additionally, the 4 Picatinny rails allow for extensive customization, making it a great choice for players who want to personalize their gear. One drawback is the empty CO2 tank, which requires filling before gameplay. Also, while the included accessories are functional, advanced players may find them lacking compared to premium options. Nonetheless, the silver package delivers excellent value for its price, combining durability, customization options, and essential gear into a well-rounded bundle. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Umarex T4E Walther PPQ .43 caliber training pistol paintball gun marker. This premium paintball pistol is perfect for players looking for a realistic, high-quality sidearm for tactical scenarios or training purposes. Priced at $154.99, it offers outstanding value for its accuracy, build quality, and versatility. The T4E Walther PPQ is designed to mimic the size, weight, and controls of a real firearm, making it an excellent tool for realistic training or milsim enthusiasts. It features a metal barrel and slide, adjustable rear sights, and a slide catch that locks back when the magazine is empty. The 8-round drop-free magazine ensures quick reloads, while the Picatinny rail allows for easy mounting of accessories like lights or lasers. With a firing speed of up to 355 FPS, it delivers impressive performance for its compact size. The downside is that the pistol operates on CO2, which is not included, and requires Umarex brand CO2 for optimal performance. Additionally, the 8-round magazine may feel limiting for players accustomed to higher capacity markers. However, for those seeking a realistic, tactical sidearm that doubles as a training tool, the Umarex T4E Walther PPQ is the ultimate choice, combining durability, precision, and versatility into one outstanding package. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy paintballing.